If we're being honest, it's really easy to dry out ground beef for tacos, which is why I love this version I've been making with Salsa Verde. They come out super juicy and are ready in about 20 minutes. To a large skillet on the stove, add half a diced onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Cook these on medium heat for about 5 minutes and then add in 1 pound of ground beef. Break up the beef with a spatula and continue breaking it into smaller pieces as it cooks. After about 5 minutes, most of the ground beef will be browned. That's when you want to add in 3 tablespoons of salsa verde. Stir for about 3 more minutes until all the ground beef is brown. This taco meat is so juicy. Just finish it off with a sprinkle of cilantro and try my cheesy tortilla hack. To a pan on medium, add 1 tablespoon shredded cheese. Add a tortilla and when it bubbles, flip it over. Cook the underside of the tortilla and then pull from the heat. I use Mexican blend cheese here, and I love to put the encrusted side on the outside when I'm serving up the tacos. It gives it that crunchy bite. Fill each taco with a tablespoon or 2 of the ground beef, some avocado, and some salsa. If you love easy recipes, make sure to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list. And don't forget you can print all my recipes at sipbitego.com. Delicious.